XTI Aerospace expressed its support for the FAA's recent release of draft regulations establishing a framework for Beyond Visual Line of Sight (BVLOS) operations for uncrewed aircraft systems (UAS). This development marks a significant step towards the safe and scalable integration of autonomous flight into U.S. airspace. The FAA's Notice of Proposed Rulemaking (NPRM) for normalizing UAS BVLOS operations, also known as Part 108, is a response to the administration's executive order to unleash American drone dominance, which called for expedited action and a clear regulatory roadmap for the future of commercial drone operations. The proposed rules would allow drones up to 1,320 pounds to operate BVLOS without traditional airworthiness certificates, paving the way for a broader range of industrial and commercial missions. The FAA's plan also introduces third-party automated data service providers, ADSPs, to safely manage traffic and situational awareness among crewed and uncrewed aircraft. XTI Aerospace's chairman and CEO, Scott Pomeroy, commended the FAA for prioritizing American leadership in aviation innovation, stating that the release of Part 108 is a turning point that will accelerate the vertical economy and bring the country closer to a fully integrated air mobility ecosystem. XTI looks forward to participating in the public comment process and collaborating with government and industry stakeholders to ensure the final rule balances safety, scalability, and innovation. It also looks forward to starting its partnership with global design and innovation leader IDEO to drive customer-centric innovation across aircraft design and experience. The collaboration will focus on transforming the XTI customer experience into a seamless, human-centered ecosystem, spanning from early-stage market research and product-market fit validation to the nuanced design of aircraft interiors, user interfaces, service models, and ownership journeys. The partnership with IDEO marks a significant step forward in XTI's mission to deliver transformative, customer-focused aircraft solutions as part of the emerging vertical economy. XTI's vision is to redefine how people fly, and the company believes that IDEO's human-centered design expertise will help achieve this goal. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.